Okay, so what we have here is some leftover spaghetti sauce from spaghetti earlier this week. I have some pre-cooked pasta noodles that I keep in my fridge in hot weather so that I can make pasta salads really quick without cooking. I have Parmesan cheese, I have cottage cheese, I have brick cheese, or you can use mozzarella, and I have a casserole dish. Now, and as you can see, my casserole dish is heavily buttered, so we're going to put some sauce right on the bottom here. And then we're going to take a handful of our pasta to make a thin layer. You don't need a lot of pasta. Remember how thin lasagna noodles are, right? You just want to kind of cover the sauce. Now, slide this aside. Most people can use ricotta if you like. I'm not a big fan of ricotta. I prefer cottage cheese. So I'm going to take about half this tub, whatever, most of the tub. Maybe a cup and a half of cottage cheese. And into that, we're going to sprinkle a good portion of granulated garlic, a 2-finger pinch of salt, some pepper, and an egg. I know, I cracked it on the side of the bowl. I'm lucky it didn't get shells in it. All right. And we're going to mix this all together. The egg gives it a firmness to the layer, right? So now we're just going to take our cottage cheese layer and then just gently spread it all over the noodles. Give it a shake down just a little bit. Then we're going to put another layer of noodles in. See, this is, people think lasagna is a great big deal, but I mean, rogue lasagna means you're doing with what you have, right? So, let's do that. And now we're going to put a bit more sauce. Nice big chunks of vegetables and onions in there. And we're going to put our mozzarella or brick cheese in there. And we're just going to put a nice light layer. Now you can do this to any size depending on the size of your family. But whenever I make spaghetti, I always try and do an extra sauce just for this kind of deal. Right? We're going to put the rest of this sauce all over the top. And like I said, our sauce is loaded with vegetables, onions, celery, peppers, mushrooms. See? Now I put this back in the fridge and I still have enough for a salad. I'm going to grind some mozzarella. I like brick cheese. It has a little bit more flavor. It's like a mild provolone or cheddar or something. All right. Last but not least, a nice Parmigiano. I always keep elastics that come off of asparagus and stuff for just for this kind of reason. We're just going to put this lid over it, and this is going in a 350-degree oven for about 40 minutes. And then when the timer goes off, you take this lid off and let it brown up for another 15. I'm really sorry, folks. I got dishing this up before I realized that I had made a video out of this. But this, let's see what Papa has to say about that. Here is your rogue lasagna. Wow, she must be really enjoying that bone. It's hot, darling.
I can tell. Tastes like lasagna.
There you go. It's just a different noodle.
Just a different noodle.
And Gracie is still working on that bone. This is the Miss Wolfie from our half-acre homestead saying, sometimes you got stuff in the fridge that makes an awesome dinner like lasagna, if we did go a bit rogue. Take care, God bless.